Welcome to MCOM second semester and fourth semester batch of Mughal University. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic break-even analysis. In this chapter, we discuss about introduction, definitions, importance, assumption, utility and limitations of break-even analysis. The main objective of every enterprise is to earn maximum profit. The amount of profit is to earn maximum profit by the cost of production and output of production. The study of the relationship between the cost of production, output of production, and amount of profit is called cost volume profit analysis. The cost volume profit analysis is a management accounting tool to show the relationship between these ingredients of profit planning. The entire amount of profit planning is associated with cost volume profit interrelationships. A widely used technique of study cost volume profit relationship is break-even analysis. Break-even analysis shows the relationship between the cost and profit with sales value. The sales value which equates the total revenue with related cost and result in neither profit nor loss is called the break-even point. Break-even analysis is concerned with the study of revenue and cost in relation to sales volume and particularly the determination of the volume of sales at which the firm revenue and total cost will exactly equal, that is no profit no loss. Thus the break-even point may be defined as a point at which the firm's total revenue are exactly equal to the total cost, that is no profit no loss point is called as a break-even point. Importance of cost volume profit analysis. Cost volume profit analysis is an important tool of management decision. The main importance of cost volume profit analysis are as follow. Setting up the flexible budget. Next, determination of break-even point to avoid the loss. Next, how much the selling quantity to target profit. Next, decision related to the selection of alternatives. Next, performance evaluation for control. Next, helpful to in price fixation. Next, allocation of overhead cost. Next, analysis of effect of changes in cost. Next, what is the effect on profit on changing in sales mixture? Next, what is BP in case of change in sales mixture and change in price, cost and quantity? Next, what is the effect on cost volume profit relation of expansion of plan? It helps in making the decision of different alternative offer towards management. For example, which product is more profitable or loss? Next, does the organization accept the offer for the additional supply of goods on a certain value? Next, what is the for a favorable condition of sales, mixture or production in which profit is maximum? Next, in case of the limitation of production capacity, which product is to be produced or to be bought? Exemptions of break-even analysis. Fixed and variable cost. Variable cost changes with production level, but there is no any change in the fixed cost at a certain level of production. Second, proportionality of variable cost. Third, stability in selling price. Fourth, certainty of fixed cost. Fifth, linear cost function. Sixth, stability in technology. Seventh, stock of finished goods has no significant role. 8. Stability in general price level. 9. Stability in production mix. Then relationship of cost and cost and quantity. Next, limitation of break-even analysis. The following limitations of break-even analysis are as follow. Cost separations. Next, effect of other period on production cost. Third, linear boundary of cost. Fourth, maximum and optimum production. Fifth, production and sale need not to be equal. 6. Change in sales mix. 7. Ignorance of invested capital. 8. Static form. 9. Short-term use. 10. No limit of perfect competition. 11. Constancy of fixed cost. Thank you.